To pay using a PayID in the Commonwealth Bank app. The process is straightforward and quick. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. Then, click on the Pay option at the bottom of the screen, which will bring up a window with 3 options. Select Pay Someone. This will take you to a screen that lists all your bank accounts, mobile numbers, or previous transfers. To add a new PayID, click the plus icon at the top of the screen and choose the relevant option, whether it's a mobile number or email address. If your PayID is an email address, you can find this option by clicking More. Once you've selected the correct option, enter your PayID in the provided field and click Next. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. Add a description or reference if needed, and click Next again. The payment will then be transferred or completed.